Have you ever sat down for a drink, popped a straw into your glass of water, and suddenly thought, wait, is my straw broken? It looks like it snapped in half, right there in the glass. I remember the first time I saw this, I was convinced something magical was happening. But as it turns out, there's no magic here, just the wild and wonderful world of physics at work. What you're seeing is a classic science trick that's been puzzling people for centuries. Let's break down exactly why this happens. The phenomenon is called refraction, but what does that really mean? Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another, like from air into water or from water into glass. It's a fundamental concept in physics, and it's happening all around us all the time. Here's why it happens. Light doesn't travel at the same speed everywhere. In air, it moves super fast, but when it enters water, it slows down. This change in speed causes the light to bend, or change direction. Imagine light as a runner sprinting on a smooth road. When the runner suddenly hits a patch of thick mud, they slow down and their path shifts. In science, we call the imaginary line at the surface the normal. When light hits the water, it bends toward this normal line. Think about it. If you were running full speed and suddenly hit mud, you'd slow down and veer off course a bit. That's exactly what happens to light. It slows down and bends, changing its direction as it moves from one material to another. This bending is what makes the straw look bent or broken at the water's surface. The light from the part of the straw in water takes a different path to your eyes than the part in air. There are two important laws of refraction you should know about. First, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. That means they're all on the same flat surface, like lines drawn on a piece of paper. Second, there's Snell's law. It says that the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant, called the refractive index, or n. This law helps us predict exactly how much the light will bend. Refraction isn't just something you read about in textbooks, it's everywhere. You see it when a pencil looks bent in a glass of water, or when a swimming pool looks shallower than it really is. It's why coins at the bottom of a glass of water appear raised and closer to the surface than they actually are. Refraction is also the reason eyeglasses help you see clearly, and why we get beautiful rainbows after a rainstorm. Light bends as it passes through raindrops, splitting into all the colors you see in a rainbow. So the next time you see your straw looking weird in a glass of water, or notice a rainbow in the sky, remember, it's not magic. It's just light bending the rules of nature. Want to learn more cool science tricks and understand the mysteries of the world around you? Type yes on WhatsApp to join our Class X science classes and subscribe for more awesome science hacks from AMSC Institute.